Don't mind me, I'm going to be busy eating all of these delicious snacks. Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and today I am feeling super hungry, so I'm going to make some delicious snacks. This is going to be so much fun, so I'm glad you're here. First, let's make something doughy and warm and yummy. I'm going to use this tan Play-doh. Let's turn on the mixer and get this to mix. Oh, did you hear that? This turned into a croissant. Yummy! This will be so much fun to snack on. Now I'd like something to drink. This pod looks delicious. Let's insert this one. This is going to be delicious. Let's turn this on. Now I have a nice yummy drink to go with my croissant. Some toast would be really nice. But first, let's make some strawberry jam. We've got to mix it up real good. Did you hear that? I think our strawberry jam's ready. Oh wow, that jam looks simply magical. This is going to be amazing on our toast. I like my toast a medium darkness. Oh, it's ready. This strawberry jam is perfect. This is going to be amazing. But I forgot about this other piece of toast. Well, let's just make grape jam for it. Mix things, mix things, mix things. Did you hear that sound? That sound can only mean one thing. Our grape jam must be ready. Oh, it is ready. It's so magical. Let's spread this purple jam on our last piece of toast. Toast with pink strawberry jam and toast with grape purple jam. This looks so yummy. While I still have my mixer out, maybe I'll make brownies. That sounds delicious. Here's some brown Play-doh. Let's turn on the mixer. Oh, it's working! Let's turn it off. Yes, I have delicious brownies now. It looks so good. Maybe we should make another drink. I wonder what would happen if we put an apple in the coffee maker. Here goes nothing. Let's turn it on. Do you hear that noise? So strange. Our apple turned into a gooey apple juice. That's pretty cool. It makes silly sounds. Let's turn this off. Well, friends, thanks for helping me make all these delicious snacks. We made a yummy croissant out of tan Play-doh. We made toast and we made delicious pink strawberry jam out of Play-doh and delicious grape purple jam out of Play-doh. Our brown Play-doh turned into a delicious brownie, and we juiced a green apple and it turned into a silly glass of green Flarp apple juice. And we also made a delicious drink to wash it all down with. Thanks for joining us as we've had silly fun with our fun toy kitchen appliances, and we've had fun with Play-Doh and toy food and Flarp. If you like this video and would like to see more toy food fun, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and we'll make more. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Don't mind me, I'm going to be busy eating all of these delicious snacks.